boys and girls, hope everyone's really well at home. Welcome to day 4 of our online PE lesson. Today we're going to be working on our coordination. Now, not our hand-eye coordination, but the coordination we have with our feet, making sure they go in the right place. And to do this, in today's lesson, you're going to need not 1 pair of socks, not 2 pairs of socks, you're going to need 3 pairs of socks. Okay, now I'm going to let you get those in a minute whilst I explain what we're going to do. We're going to be making a ladder out of the socks. So if you watch me really carefully, I'll show you how to lay it out, and it should look a little bit something like this. If you haven't got socks to hand, I've got it demonstrated behind me with some trainers or some shoes as well. So if you would like to make a ladder using a pair of shoes, or I'm going to show you how to do it with some socks. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our socks down. We're going to make sure we leave a space in between, like so, for our feet to go in, and then we are ready to go. Can I just say a fantastic job to Gia and Jay yesterday for sending in a video of themselves doing the challenge. Brilliant work. Okay, keep up the good work, everybody. Go and get yourself some socks, pause the video, and then we can get started. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, hopefully you've already got your ladders set up like I have. There's 2 demonstration of ladders. There's one with socks and one using some trainers, okay? Now, today's going to require us bouncing on the balls of our feet. So while I'm talking, if you can just be practicing bouncing on the balls of your feet, that'll be absolutely perfect, okay? So keep bouncing on the balls of your feet while I'm talking. So, here is my ladder, okay? I want you to imagine this as a ladder. You're going to start at one end, okay? And the rule is you've got to try and not touch any object that's in your ladder, okay? So, I'm going to start at one end. I'm going to choose one end to start off. The first thing we're going to be doing is nice and simple. We're just going to be taking steps through our ladder, and we can gradually get quicker. So I'm going to give you one example in slow motion. Making sure we stay on the balls of our feet. Then, if you did a really good job that time, you can get faster. And the next time we go through, if you've managed to complete it without touching any of them, you might go a little bit faster, okay? So pause the video, have a practice, go through it as many times as you want, okay? And come back to me ready for the next task, okay? Let's go. Okay, task number 2 is as follows. You're going to start at one end of your ladder, very similar to before, but this time, instead of just running through, we're going to go for some high knees, and we're going to drive our arms at the same time, okay? So when my left leg is up, my right arm's going to go up, and vice versa, okay? So we're going to be swapping. So have a practice running on the spot to start with at the same time as me as I'm talking. That's exactly what we're going to do through the ladder, okay? So start off on one leg, ready, go. Being really careful not to touch anything. I'll show you on the back ladder as well. So we're going to start on one leg, we're going to go. Now the back ladder, if you are using trainers, is a little bit harder because it means that we've got to move our feet up a little bit higher each time. Making sure we get those knees nice and high. Have a go, pause the video and have a practice. Task number 3, we're going to be doing bunny hops. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start at one end of the ladder, feet are going to stay together, we're going to be using our arms for balance, remember to be on the balls of your feet, and all we're going to do is jump through, like so. If you would like a little bit of an extra challenge, I'm going to challenge you to jump a little bit higher in between, making sure we don't touch any of the obstacles. I'm going to show you on the back one as well. If you want a super task to try, can you do tuck jumps in between? Have a practice. Good luck. Okay, now we're going to take it up a step. Instead of jumping on bunny hopping on 2 feet, we're going to hop on one leg now, okay? So, you're going to start at one end, Remember to be on the ball of your feet if you can as we're jumping through. You're going to choose a leg, whatever leg you start on. We're going to try and hop through without touching any of them. And then back to the start, okay? Whichever leg you started on, if you started on your left leg like I did, you're going to swap over now to the opposite leg. Okay, I want to see if you can do this at least 3 times on each leg, okay? Remembering to stay on the balls of your feet. Some of you might find this one really tricky. It's important that we practice to try and get better. Trying to hold our balance, okay? Okay, so give that one a go. Remember, if you don't get it at first, keep practicing, practicing, practicing. We will get better if we keep practicing. Have a go. Okay, next task is hopscotch. So we're going to start off on one leg and we're going to go 2 legs, 1 leg, 2 legs, 1 leg, 2 legs, 1 leg, 2 legs, 1 legs, 2 legs. Okay, so let's have a go. So, starting off on one leg, we're going to go to 2 legs, 1 leg, 2 legs, 1 leg, 2 legs, 1 leg, and so on. Is that clear to everyone? So, show you one more time. Have a notice what I'm doing. I'm not hopping on the same leg every time, okay? So, I'm starting off on this leg, going to 2 legs, and then I'm changing the hop leg. Show you one more time using the back. Okay, go and give that one a go. Have a practice. Hope you get on really well. This time we're going to do jumping jacks through. So we're going to go in, feet are going to be together, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, so have a watch as I go. I'm going to start my feet together. I'm going to go in, out, in, out, in, out. And shake it all about afterwards. Okay? I'll go again. This time, I'm going to go out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay, so after every single one, you're not going to go out and in the same one. You're going to miss one every time. So you're going to go in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, if you need to slow down and watch it again, have a practice. This one is really, really tricky. So, good luck with this one. Remember, try your best. If you don't quite get it, don't worry about it. Keep practicing. It will come. Have a go. Okay, this is a tricky one that I know my class in particular find tricky at school. So I know some of you at home are going to find this one a little bit tricky. Some of you might absolutely smash it though, and that's what I'm looking for. So, you're going to start at one end. We're going to be running through, but we're not going to be putting just 1 foot in every hole. We're going to try and put 2 feet in every hole. So watch as I go. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'll show you on the back one as well. As an extra challenge to those of you that are finding it easy, you might want to go for higher knees, but we're going to go. And then when you get really, really good, you might be able to go a little bit faster, okay? Like so. Okay, have a go at that one. If you need to slow it down, please do. Pause it, have a practice. Good luck with that one. Have a go, try your best. It's a beautiful day today. So I've got my hat on. Okay, get all this set up, get into the garden, do it inside. You don't need a lot of space. You can do it in the hall. You can do it anywhere in your house. Have a go. Let me know how you get on.